Monday morning, March 9, 1992. A little bit of a snowfall in Fort Collins. '84 Honda grocery getter with an incredible amount of snow on it. Looks like we may have gotten about 18 inches of snow. Broken limb or two. It's like one or two cars have been through at 8 o'clock in the morning. Van with a pop-up roof. And a bunch of bushes that you can hardly even tell that they're there. Get a feel for the depth of the ruts. They have a problem with this pine tree right here, as well as the pussy willows. Can't tell. This was the neighbor's pine tree, which was about 8 feet tall, sticking straight up at about that location. Now it seems to have taken a different position. So much for the pampas grass. Now the snow packed on the side of the house here during the wind. Now in the backyard, you can hardly tell where the bushes, which are pretty bare red and yellow sticks right now, not even sticking up. You can see the amount of snow on the bird bath. This tree took a little punishment. That doesn't look too bad. The top of this pine tree looks a little blown away. Something.
Okay. These boys are so anxious to go someplace today, they're digging out their car.
This is our Pathfinder. It looks like it might look like a grocery getter, but it's really a Pathfinder. Oh,
And here's old Dad here, trying to get the
no! Well, I'm standing under it.
snowblower going. to no avail.
Isn't the car usually shorter than that?
Oh, I wasn't going yet. So do it again.
Last second shot. Alrighty. 3, 2.
Missed the basket.